Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Jeep Compass Sport. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 225,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto.